collect my thoughts after that. That was brutal. Holy. Oh, snap!
What's up, bro?
Actually, the first time we've ever met in person, right?
Yeah, it is.
Woo! Yeah, you must have been demoing all day, huh?
All day.
Feel it. You're gonna feel it.
You know we don't quit.
Is this the loud side?
This is the loud side. That's the windy side.
Yeah.
So you get to enjoy it.
Let me get the loud side.
I got you. We'll swap in just a minute. You see all this shit, huh? All right, here it is.
Hang on, put it around.
Here, see if it'll float this thing once I get it playing.
Rack City, bitch. 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 10, 20s in the 50s, bitch.
Holy crap, dude.
Alright, you gotta get over here.
Oh my god. Now we gotta get on the loud side. Holy shit. I gotta compose myself. Alright, tell the people who you are, what you got.
Alright, my name is Justin Roy. We have 8-team match Juggernaut, 8 teams on 8 MATS 4Ks. We got 11 MySolar lithium batteries, 6 Banks and Maxwell caps, 2 Singer 270s, 36 MATS mids and highs, 361 50s. A lot of custom work.
Good.
That's about it.
Let's take a, which side's the loud side?
This is the loud side.
This is the loud side. Let me take a look around the back. Little podium here. We're gonna take a little walk around. Woo. All right. All right, we're gonna get bolted up in this thing. Oh.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Bruh, every time, all these loud ass vehicles are so scary. I'm like bolted into this thing.
This fashion wait for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me.
Look at him smiling. I'm in here getting beat to death. He's smiling. I hate you. Alright, listen, I am not happy about this. I am not excited about this. But we have to make this happen. We have to make this happen. Actually, you know what? I might pass the helmet off to Dan.
Get in there, we're down.
Come on. Sit in my lap, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, Jesus!
You got another frequency? Is that it? Hey, you got like 35 or something? 38?
Oh my
A
God.
little bit of lows?
Look, I'm gonna sit in Dan's lap. I'm gonna sit in Dan's lap.
Get on it. Look, you ain't even got to. You got room.
Oh my God, here we go.
Oh, fuck. Damn, you don't want this corner.
That was not cool. That. I gotta get out. I gotta get out. You want this hat? I'm done. I am done. That's it.
What was the score?
Ah, my chest. Oh, I can't even.
165-4.
My vision is not even clear right now. I can't even.
165-4.
I can't even see it. What I'm saying.
Give Dan the hat.
I hate you. You want this thing?
One more.
He said he's ready for some more punishment.
One more.
Dan's gonna.
Hey,
take
my
the
ribs.
hat.
My ribs only gonna take it one more
Oh
time.
my god, my ribs, dude.
My ribs. My kidneys and my ribs. Hey, they got a big old head, dude.
65 and 55.
Get in so I can record him
Oh
inside.
my god.
65-47.
I'm scared for him. I'm scared for him.
Cheese.
That hurt.
Cheese, buddy.
That was pain. Like legitimate pain. Alright, here it comes, Dan.
Ready?
I'll do the hard hat.
Yeah. 66. I'm telling you, there's only one more DB, dude.
Only to the head.
That's to the head.
Only one DB
Whatever
to the
it does
head.
to the
I hate all these people. I hate all these people. All of y'all.
Think you ready?
Nobody wants to get in there. Nobody. I'm telling you, don't do it.
You all right?
Don't do it. Bro, I'm telling you, I can't. My breathing is labored right now. It's not cool.
You think you want in?